Okay, this is a little video from late July 2012. I'll tell about my newest updates on the Corrado G60. I put on some new BBS center hubcaps, as they are prone to disintegrate with water. And I added a little nice feature here on the electric heated and adjustable Recaro seats, and that is inflatable backrest support. I'll just turn down the volume a bit. The radio I installed is an updated Blaupunkt with a green facial light, like the instrumentation, so it fits the car. It's very sleek here in the surface, so it fits the car nicely. I also just finished up this extra clocks. This is the facelifted model installed into the old style car, as you can see. And they're not that easy, but it's okay, workable. And now we have I can read out the voltage and the oil pressure. Okay, to the seats. If you look carefully here, I'll just inflate it. Like this. Okay, I actually deflated it. Now it moves. It gives a very nice support for the lower back. I did it on both seats. Now this is pumped up and the driver's seat is not. You may be able to see that it looks more flat. And just turning a little knob here, I take the air out, as you can hear. I installed the little rubber piece here in each seat. Very easy to work when you're driving. So back to normal. Very nice feature when driving fast or driving for a longer extended period of time. Nice feature. I also did some red rear lights. Here you can see with a parking light. So this is the Corrado in late July 2012.